Today I'm going to show you how to disable WhatsApp linked device and then secure your WhatsApp account afterwards. So as you know, WhatsApp has this feature that lets you share your account on up to 4 different devices, and if someone has access to your account or your physical device, they can tamper with your data and have access to your data. And if you want to know who has your data, then the simple way is to check the linked devices. So in order to do that, first open your WhatsApp and then tap on these 3 dots, and you can see there is a linked device option. Click on it. Here you can see all of the linked devices, the devices that has access to your account. So I have a Windows device that is right here. So in order to remove them, you just tap on it and then tap on log out. So this will log out of all of your devices that it has access to your account. Once you do this, you'll have to secure your account. So to secure your account, first go back to your home page, tap on these 3 dots and open your settings. Once you open your settings, tap on privacy. You can turn on WhatsApp lock with your biometrics. So you just scroll down and then tap on app lock and unlock with biometric. You just turn it on and set up your biometrics, and you can choose the time after you've closed the device to reactivate with your biometric. And after this, you can go back. Once you go back, you tap on account and then activate your two-step verification. So you just tap on two-step verification and click on turn on, and you set up your 6-digit PIN. Once you set up your 6-digit PIN, it will ask you to add an email in case you forget your PIN. You can either add it or you can skip this process, and you're all set to go. And that's how you can easily secure your WhatsApp account without any third-party apps. Thank you for watching.